It's a 2019 Honda Fit. No matter what your cargo carrying needs are, this Honda will make it fit. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Inline 4-cylinder engine, front heated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth streaming audio, air conditioning, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, external memory control, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, Honda Link selective service internet access, and continuously variable automatic transmission. This from Car and Driver. The Honda Fit has always proved that there's a right and a wrong way to put together a package, and the Fits has always been right. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.